symbols of Cameroon national unity. Hello, on behalf of ARM TV, I would like to welcome you to another informative content. ARM TV is where you get informed, educated and entertained with amazing content from across Africa. In today's video, we will be bringing to you a throwback on Cameroon's reunification history and presenting two major landmarks that were built in commemoration of the nation's reunification. If you are new here, welcome. Please subscribe and turn on the notification so you do not miss any of our upcoming videos. If you are a returning subscriber, we love you. Tell us your topic of interest you would like us to cover in the comment section and we will make that happen. Also, let us know what you think about the reunification of Cameroon. Cameroon, which was under the German rule from 1884, was partitioned between Britain and France after the German defeat during the First World War. The partition led to the creation of British and French Cameroon, both led by Britain and France administrations respectively. French Cameroon gained independence from France on January 1st, 1960, and British Southern Cameroons became a federal state on October 1st, 1961. On May 20, 1972, in a national referendum, Cameroonians voted for a unitary state as opposed to the existing federal system giving birth to the United Republic of Cameroon and later the Republic of Cameroon in 1984. In celebration of the independence of Cameroon, the nation's respective presidents set up great monuments in commemoration of the reunification. The ReUnification Monument Yaounde, a landmark of national prosperity. The ReUnification Monument records an important moment in Cameroon's history, which is the political reunification of the two Cameroons, French Cameroon and British Cameroon in 1961. Leading up to the birth of the United Republic of Cameroon, President Amadou Ahidjo and the public authorities commissioned this landmark as a celebration of the Cameroon's people's prosperity in the aftermath of independence. Cameroon's reunification monument was constructed in the 1970s under the reign of Amadou Ahidjo to memorialize the post-colonial merging. The architects behind the realization of this great monument are Gideon Pondo and Njebe Veng. The reunification monument is an impressive architecture in the heart of Yaounde, not far from the Ministry of Defense and National Assembly. The site is accessed by the main gate, and near the entrance stands a massive statue that symbolizes the reunification of the nation. It is sculpted in the brutalist style of sculpture, which was popular in countries under the influence of socialism in the 1970s. At the center of the sculpture is a representation of an old man who symbolizes the nation. He holds a torch which represents liberty and independence of the nation. Surrounding the figure of the old man are several children, signifying the coming together of Cameroonians from over 250 ethnic groups. Behind the statue is a large structure that denotes national unity. This indigenous design and conical building is made out of concrete pathways which form a spiral, creating the cone-shaped structure. The blocks on this huge structure are inscribed with slogans promoting unity and celebrating national diversity. At the bottom of the construction is a banquet hall that is intended to host national events. Also, within the spiraling structure of 7 meters is an underground hall serving as a showroom where pictures of some famous people in Cameroon's history are displayed. The monument is surrounded by a splendid green garden with magnificent flowers planted all over it. Access to the monument is free and as such has over the years become a major touristic site in Cameroon and ranked by many tourism guides as one of the famous monuments in Cameroon. The Golden Jubilee Monument, Buea, celebrating Cameroon's 50 years of independence and unity. The Golden Jubilee Monument, also known as the ReUnification Monument, is located in Buea, southwest region of Cameroon. It was erected and inaugurated by the President of the nation, His Excellency Paul Biya, in celebration of 50 years of independence, reunification and vivre ensemble. Structurally, the Golden Jubilee Monument, also known as the ReUnification Monument, is located in Buea, southwest region of Cameroon. It was erected and inaugurated by the President of the nation, His Excellency Paul Biya, in celebration of the 50 years of independence, reunification and vivre ensemble. Structurally, the monument comprises of concrete 10-metal cylinders supporting the logo of the Cameroon Golden Jubilee. The central piece is made up of 10 metal cylinders of varying heights representing the 10 regions of Cameroon. This gives a clearer view of the 50th anniversary logo. The logo is a characteristic of a globe portraying the map of Cameroon supported by two hands at its center. Slightly above, it is the coat of arms representing the peace and unity that reigns in the country. There are metal cylinders supporting the logo, which symbolizes power, growth, emergence, dynamics, fundamentals to the economic, social and cultural development of Cameroon. Located at the foot of the giant Mount Cameroon, the monument adds to other historical touristic sites in the ranks of the German Prime Minister's Lodge, constructed in 1902, formerly the palace of the German governor. There is also the German Post Office of 1902, the Bismarck Fountain, the Cameroon's Press Photo Archives, the Asian Native Authority School, and also the Mount Cameroon National Park, an ecotouristic attraction. This monument, which is likely to improve the economy of the Buea community, has become a fertile ground for cameramen and journalists alike. Some Buea-based photographers are already deriving income from the spot due to their makeshift photo studios at the location. During the inauguration of the monument, Cameroon's president Paul Biya said the monument cements the peaceful coexistence amongst Cameroonians who, through their diversity in culture, are united under a one and indivisible nation. This content was brought up in commemoration of the celebration of Cameroon's National Day, May 20th, which is celebrated each year with a march past, parade, and an array of cultural display. These and many others are symbols of Cameroon's unity. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching, and don't forget to drop your opinion about this content and your topics of interest you will want us to cover in the comment section. Please subscribe and press the notification bell so you get notified when next we release a new content. Bye.